Excellency, I have the profound honor to present the letter of credence which His Majesty the Emperor of Japan has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of Japan to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present the letter of recall of my predecessor. It is my esteemed privilege to convey to Your Excellency the cordial greetings from His Majesty the Emperor of Japan, which manifests His Majesty's warm desires to further promote the friendship and goodwill jointly nurtured by the governments and peoples of Fiji and Japan. I'm delighted to see that as part of the Pacific family of nations, both our countries have continued to strengthen Fiji-Japan relations over the years. Under the auspices of such bonds of friendship between our nations, I earnestly look forward to serving as Japan's ambassador to Fiji, to work closely with Your Excellency and the government of Fiji to elevate our relations to greater heights. On behalf of His Majesty the Emperor, the government and the people of Japan, I extend my best wishes for Your Excellency's good health and happiness, as well as for the peace and prosperity of the Republic of Fiji.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I take this opportunity to congratulate you on your appointment as the Ambassador of the State of Japan to Fiji, and I am so pleased to have received you in person. I convey my sincere appreciation to His Majesty the Emperor of Japan. Once again, as alluded to, the government and the people of Japan and graciously to receive the letters of credence, crediting you as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of Japan to the Republic of Fiji. I accept them as a symbol of mutual recognition, trust and goodwill that binds our two nations. This ceremony reaffirms the long-standing friendship between Fiji and Japan and marks the beginning of your official duties of our roles. Your distinguished diplomatic background, highlighted by regional postings, and a strong focus on development and foreign policy within Asia and the Indo-Pacific region will serve as a valuable asset in further strengthening our bilateral relations and advancing mutual prosperity. To that end, you can be assured of the full support of this office. Your Excellency, our bilateral relations will continuously uphold its relations with Japan, characterized by our respect for sovereignty, mutual aspirations, and common interests in the region and beyond. We have made great strides to achieve a comprehensive strategic partnership, one which can only be achieved through mutual understanding and enriched relations. Fiji's and Japan's bilateral relations have strengthened and deepened in the various sectors of our engagement, and especially in the economic and social sectors. I acknowledge the contribution of the Japanese International Cooperation Agency, better known as JICA, in the implementation of projects in the areas of socio-economic development, especially disaster risk management and sustainable and resilient infrastructure, which has contributed to our common development and mutual aspirations. Our relationship has been further strengthened by a recently signed Lomavata is on a partnership agreement, and Lomavata meaning unity, symbolizing bonds of trust and friendship. It reflects the recognition by both governments to elevate our bilateral relations to greater heights. Excellency, despite the vast geographical distance of our regions, climate change continues to affect us equally, impacting on hydrology and water resources, agriculture, forestry, public health, biodiversity, and natural terrestrial ecosystems, marine ecosystems, resources, and coastal zones. We must continue to play our part, calling for more global ambitions or ambitious actions. The solution lies in the sustainable use and conservation of our natural resources and our environment. We look forward to working closely with our great nation in this mutual endeavor. Further, Your Excellency, I am pleased to update you that in the Pacific region, our own efforts towards regional solidarity continue to strengthen, which was evident when the Pacific leaders reaffirmed their aspirations for regional security and embodied in our collective vision for a blue Pacific continent through the endorsement of the Ocean of Peace Declaration last year. We look forward to the continued support of Japan in advancing greater relationship or regionalism in the Pacific and beyond. Your Excellency, at the multilateral level, Fiji sincerely appreciates the significant contribution and commitment that Japan continues to provide in championing our mutual interests globally. Your Excellency, we look forward to working closely with Japan at the multilateral level in order to advance our common interests of the United Nations and other multilateral platforms. Congratulations once again on your appointment, Your Excellency, and the presentation of your credentials today. I'm optimistic that we will continue to build and develop Fiji's commitment to shared understandings and values in fostering development and cooperation between the two countries. Thank you. Lalabalavu, sir.
This is a crystal glass vase. It's called Edo Kiriko.
How much we appreciate your coming.
Thank you very
This
much,
morning.
Your Excellency. I shall treasure it and
Thank you very much.
put up.